Okay, this is a plastic bottle that I cut into two. Then I cut the down part of another plastic bottle to make this round shape that I will use to attach the cup. And then I cut in the center to roll round to form this round shape. This is what I do. I roll it, make it stronger. Then I roll it in a plastic bag, a carrier bag, a duvet carrier bag. Then I roll it. Then I form this beautiful shape. Then I cut them in between again so that it will give it a spray of foam where it can hold the bottom very well so that it will stand still. Then I put on an elastic gum that I use round all the shapes so that they will stick together. Then I open it, then stick it to the bottom and the bottom and the up of the other side. Then I stick everything together. I press it so hard. I press, then I trim it so that I have some excess bags showing. So I just trim it to make it look neat. And this is the outcome. And I am now pouring my drink into my beautiful artwork. And thank you for watching. Bye.